Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram bio category to athletes. So let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are on your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, you have to simply scroll down and you will see an option that says account type and tools. Just tap on that. If you want to showcase athlete in your bio, you have to change your account type. For that, you have to simply tap on switch to professional account and then tap on next. Now, Instagram will prompt you to select a category for your account. In the search bar, type athlete and select it when it appears in the list. And then you will see an option that says display on profile. Simply toggle this on. And finally, tap on switch to professional account and tap on OK. And you will see that your bio now includes athlete as your category. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.